Hi everyone, it's Jan. This is day 26, first part. When you're on a ship and there are announcements to be made, most of the announcements are made out in the hallway. Sometimes you can hear them good, sometimes you can't. Sometimes we have to go to the door and open the door so we can hear it clearly. But whenever a captain makes an announcement, it comes through the intercom system in your room, and you can hear him very clearly. Well, about 10 or 11 this morning, the captain came on the intercom to make an announcement. And he probably heard all the rumors going around the ship about a person dying of a heart attack and the other person was fine or was dying or whatever. So he came on and made an announcement. Apparently, both of the people needed to be operated on. But both of them survived their operation and are doing as well as can be expected. And it really cheered up everyone, the crew and the guests. We were all just thrilled that everything was going to be okay. So that was one message from the captain that was a very welcomed one. See you all later. Well, we've had rough journeys, and we have another death on this ship. Our little animal did not survive very long at all. And there's his remains.